Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or hide the firewall and network protection within the Microsoft Defender or Microsoft Security in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. This tutorial will apply for Windows 10 Professional and higher editions. If you're running Windows 10 Home, you can download the Group Policy Editor. I do have a tutorial on my channel for how to activate that, so you can just check that out on your own end. But anyway, we're going to just type in Group Policy. Best match should come back with Edit Group Policy, so go ahead and open that up. Now you want to go ahead and expand Computer Configuration. So underneath here, go and double click on Administrative Templates. Do the same thing now for the Windows Components folder. Locate Windows Defender Security Center. And if you do not see Windows Defender Security Center, you might just have to look for Windows Security. So again, either Windows Security or Windows Defender Security Center. They change the name of it every once in a while, so that's just how Windows 10 works. So you can go ahead and double click on it. And now you're going to locate Firewall and Network Protection. Just left click on this folder. And then on the right panel here, hide the Firewall and Network Protection area. Go ahead and double click on that. If you want to show the Firewall and Network Protection in Windows Security, you want to set it to not configured. If you want to hide the Firewall and Network Protection, you will set it to enabled. And then you just will select apply and OK to save the change. And you can close out of here. You'll restart your computer and the change should take effect. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.